When people come to me for a case involving a serious brain injury, they and their family are generally frightened. They're worried, they're concerned, they're uncertain, and with good cause.
They're dealing with somebody who's different. Traumatic brain injuries can range in their impact, but even the most minor traumatic brain injury can change personalities, can change behavior, and can change a person's ability to function.
You know, we all only have one brain, and to have a change in its function is horrifying. We've dealt with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of brain injury cases, and certainly have an expertise in helping people navigate these waters.
We understand. We get the changes, we get the behavioral issues, and we get how it impacts their lives and their day-to-day lives. So they know that they have somebody fighting on their side, somebody walking alongside them as they go down the path to recovery.
We also understand the complexities of a brain injury case and how to build that case in a way that doesn't allow any loopholes for the insurance company on the other side. And in fact, we have become very adept at helping people find the best possible outcome when their family or their loved one has suffered a traumatic brain injury.
One of the most common mistakes that we see when people have been in a situation that led to a traumatic brain injury is a delay in getting to a lawyer. Getting to a lawyer and having a lawyer involved, and we view it as being part of the care team of the client in a way that we really don't with most other cases, because there's such a unique course and such a unique process that traumatic brain injury patients go through, and making sure that they are getting into providers who deal with all the issues that a traumatic brain injury can lead to, and knowing who those providers are, helping provide some counseling, and getting them to a primary provider or a physical medicine doctor who will help manage their care. While we're not managing their care, we have the knowledge to understand whether they're having their care appropriately managed.
When people are looking for an attorney to handle a brain injury, a traumatic brain injury, a serious concussion, an injury that has caused a change in the way their loved one functions, they should be looking for an attorney who has handled many, many, many of these cases. These cases have a great amount of complexity. The medicine is difficult, different, and varied. They need to find someone who has developed a knowledge of the medicine, a knowledge of those who are out there capable of treating the injury, and a knowledge of how the insurance companies work very hard to defend these very difficult cases.
Call a lawyer today. All of us will talk to you, consult with you, initially, certainly without any charge, and we're happy to provide some of our expertise, advice, and guidance. And if you are an appropriate candidate to be represented, that representation will be free on a contingency basis during the course of the representation, and you'll only have to pay the lawyer when you recover the damages that you have a right to recover from the person who caused the injury. Don't delay.